Okay, I wanted to do a quick review on this Ingrown Toenail Correction Patch Kit. If you've had ingrowns, try this first before you go get that surgery where they just dig it out. This should relieve the pain from your toe. So it comes with the diluent, the glue, and a couple different sizes of the actual correction patches. Can you see that there in these tubes? And it comes with very simple instructions on how to apply it. You're going to apply it onto these little strips. They're very clear. You're going to apply one of these onto the strip and then place it over your toenail for relief. This kit also comes with the alcohol pads to clean your toe, and then these tools, a file. This is actually a really high quality nail file. And then this tool as well. So try to get some relief from these. It's a great kit. I love it. You're gonna love it too.